How to delete Pinterest account. Hello everyone. If you no longer want to use Pinterest or want to delete your old account on this platform, you are in the right place. I will show you the entire process of deleting your Pinterest account. Open the Pinterest app and then access your profile. Click on your profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen. On this page, you will see options for account settings and viewing all the information related to your Pinterest account. Let's continue with the process by clicking on Account Management. At the bottom half of the screen, there are options for deactivating your profile and for permanently deleting your profile. Deactivating your profile is temporary, and the account can be restored after deactivation. To permanently delete your account, click on Delete Your Data and Account. Deleting your account will also delete all data associated with that account. Think carefully before proceeding. If you are sure you want to delete your account, click on the Continue button. Specify the reason why you are deleting the account. If your reason is not one of the options provided, click on Other. That's what I will do as well. Press the Send Email button. You will receive an email on the email account through which the Pinterest account was created. Here is what that email looks like. You need to click on Yes, Delete Account, and the deletion process will be completed. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.